Method 1 is just removing the taillight assembly directly from the hatch. This is just showing the screws that need to be accessed. When on the vehicle, the screws can be difficult to access due to the curvature of the glass and require a slim screwdriver. Here is removing the same assembly when the hatch is attached to the vehicle. I'm using an iFixit Phillips head screwdriver for this one. It can be a struggle even with a slim screwdriver to locate the screw, but we are finally able to get it and able to loosen the second captive screw, finally allowing us to remove the taillight assembly from the hatch. Here's the second method of removing the entire spoiler. 10mm nuts here, here, and here, total of 4. Removing this grommet allows access to a plastic clip. The clip can be accessed with the set of Longnose Pliers, which is probably the easiest method. From there, the spoiler can be flipped up, allowing access to the windscreen wiper fluid tube. This just pops off. Here's another showing the clip and the tube removed. And finally removing the electrical connector. From there you can remove the entire spoiler and place it on a spot to remove the assembly as previous. With the loom popping out the middle section out of its clip allows easier access to the globes. The globe sockets just twist out of the housing. From here you can replace the blown globes with fresh ones. Finally, reinstallation is reverse of removal. Thanks for watching my video.